Do not trust atoms.
Because they're just making up everything.
Atomic radius, a fundamental concept in chemistry, provide insight into the size of atom and their arrangement within the periodic table. Let's unravel the mysteries of atomic radius and explore its significance in understanding the periodic table. Atomic radius refers to the size of an atom, measured from the nucleus to the outermost electron shell. It plays a crucial role in determining the overall size atoms and their chemical properties. Across a period, atomic radius generally decreasing from the left to right to increasing effective nuclear charge, which pulls the outermost electron closer to the nucleus within a group. Atomic radius tend to increase from top to bottom as additional electron shell are added, resulting in a larger distance between the nucleus and the outermost electron. Several factors influence atomic radius, including effective nuclear charge, electron shielding, and electron-electron repulsion. For example, consider the trend in atomic radius for the alkali metals lithium, sodium, and potassium. As you move down the group, atomic radius increases due to the addition of electron shell, leading to the larger size of atoms. Similarity within a period, atomic radius decreases as you move from the left to right. For instance, consider the trend in atomic radius for the elements carbon, nitrogen, and oxygen. As you move across the period, atomic radius decreases due to the increasing effective nuclear charge, which pulls the outermost electron closer to the nucleus. In the intricate dance of atomic interaction, atomic radius serves as a crucial parameter influencing the size of reactivity of atom across the periodic table.